In this lecture, I am going to talk about while loop.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
Earlier, we have talked about for loop. Okay, I have already created the project with name while loop. Okay, so I will press the right mouse button over here, then go to new and choose Python file. Give it any name. Suppose I'm going to give the name while1, name to the Python program. Click on OK. So it's very simple to apply while loop, but I will explain it through an example. So I'm write a program that prints first 100 natural numbers. So first 100 natural numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 7 8 9 10 till 100. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take a variable with any name. I have taken the name to be count. Count is equal to 1. Then while count is less than or equal to 100, print count, and then I will be incrementing the value of count by 1. And for this purpose, what we are supposed to write is either count is equal to count plus 1, or we can write count plus is equal to 1. What does it mean? It means 1 will be added to the current value of count. So I'm going to explain how this loop is going to work. See, first the value of the variable count is 1. Then I have applied this condition with while count is less than or equal to 100. For the first time, of course, this condition is true because value of count is 1, and that of which is less than, of course, less than 100. So that means condition is true. It will come down to the following statements. You can see clearly that these both statements are written with equal indentation. So what does that mean? It means both these statements, they come under this loop, while loop. So these are the loop statements which are to be executed repeatedly. Okay, so print will print the current value of count, which happens to be 1. Then I would write count plus is equal to 1. That will make the value of count as 2. Okay. After that, the control will go up and check the condition again while count is less than or equal to 100. Now what is the current value of count in the memory? 2. Condition is 2 because 2 is less than 100. It will come down to the following statement. It will print 2. Again it will come to this statement, loop statement, count plus is equal to 1. The value of count currently is 1. That will become 2 because we have written count plus is equal to 1. Again control will go up while count is less than or equal to 100. Condition will be tested. Condition is again true. So because currently the value of count is 3 will be printed. Then it will become 4. Again it will go up. 4 is less than 100. 4 will be printed. Then it will become 5, and it will go on like this. And lastly the value of 100 will be printed, and count plus is equal to 1 will make it 101. It will go up and check the condition, and of course this time over the condition would be false because while count is less than or equal to 100, value of count is 101, which is not less than or equal to 100. Loop will break. So in the process we will get all the numbers from 1 to 100, which are called natural numbers. They will get printed on the output screen. I'm going to execute this program by pressing Ctrl Shift F10. Okay. Oops, I forgot to give colon after while. As per the syntax, it should be printed with colon. Now this is the output you can see. So all the values are getting printed from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 until 100, as you can see. So our program has executed successfully. Let's do one thing. What I am going to do is I am going to put all these statements under the comments because now we are going to change the statement of the program. Write a program that prints all odd numbers from 1 to 100. Okay. The variable count is already defined with the value 1. Now I would write while count is less than or equal to 100. So far so good. I will print the value of count, and after that, see carefully, I would write count plus is equal to 2, not count is equal, not count plus is equal to 1, because this time over I am going to increment the value of count by 2 and not by 1. Why? Because see, the first time value of count is 1, while count is less than or equal to 100. Yes, 1 is less than 100, condition is 2. It will print value 1, and this statement count plus is equal to 2 is going to make the value of count 3 in the memory, right? It will go up while count is less than or equal to 100. Yes, because 3 is less than 100. 3 will be printed. It will make the value of count plus is equal to 2 will make the value of count 5. Again it will go up. Check the condition. 5 is less than 100. Yes, 5 will be printed. Then it will become 7. 7 is less than 100. 7 will be printed. Then it will become 9, and so on. The loop will go on. Lastly, what would happen is 99 will be printed, right? After that, count plus is equal to 2 will make the value of count 101. It will go up, and as you can see clearly, the condition would be false because 101 is not less than 100. The loop will break. So I am going to execute the program. Control Shift 10. Control Shift F10. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all odd numbers from 1 to 100 are getting printed. As you can see, lastly 99 is getting printed. You can do one thing. If you let me copy and paste, Control C, and what I am going to do is I'm going to put them into comments by using hash symbol. Okay, I pasted it. Now what I will do is, as you can see, I will start the value of count with 2, right? Now count will start with 2. It will print even numbers. While count is less than or equal to 200, first time the condition would be true, 2 will be printed, and count plus is equal to 2 is going to make the value of count 4. It will go up, condition is again true, 4 is less than 100, 4 will be printed. Then in the memory, value of count will become 6. Count plus is equal to 2. Again it will go up, 6 is less than 100, 6 will be printed. Count plus is equal to 2, 8. It will go up, 8 is less than 100, condition is 2, 8 will be printed. It will go on like this. Lastly, the value 100 will be printed. Last even number is 100 in the range 1 to 100. So after printing 100, it will do, this statement will execute count plus is equal to 2, and it will make the value of count 102. Again, the control will go up, and while count is less than or equal to 100, this condition is going to be false because currently the value of count is 102, which is not less than 100. So but we had achieved our goal, that was to print all the even numbers from 1 to 100. So naturally we will be starting with 2 because first even number is 2. So let me execute the program. Control Shift F10. Yes, here we go. As you can see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on, and lastly 100 will be printed.